Presenting the Zebronics Zeb-Sound Feast 500 Bluetooth 5.0 portable speaker with 70 watts, 9H backup, TWS, IPX5 waterproof, call function, RGB lights, auxiliary port, MSD, voice assistant, Type-C and grill finish. It comes with BTV 5.0, auxiliary port, MSD and built-in microphone for call function, deep bass with dual passive radiators and premium boombox design and build quality for indoor and outdoor use. It has IPX5 waterproof and grill finish, TWS function, with another Zeb-Sound Feast 500 speaker and 70 watts, 35 watts plus 35 watts, with dual 89mm drivers. It comes with portable design with handle and built-in rechargeable battery. It also features supports connection with smartphones, tablets, laptops etc. The delivery box contains 1 unit auxiliary port cable and 1 unit charging cable, 1 unit user manual and 1 unit speaker. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.